What is this one now? What is he doing in the middle of the road? Why this one they stand like this? See? Nonsense. Hi, what's going on? Why you stand for road like this?
Good afternoon, madam. I've been here for long. No boss. I need to go Kubwa.
Kubwa, enter now. I will drop you.
Thank you, madam. God bless you.
No problem. Come, enter.
Thank you.
Quick.
Okay, I'm in.
Great. Let's go.
Sister, no vexo. I'm not too comfortable seeing a woman with a drive me. I just feel say women know they drive well like that.
Oh, really? So what thing you want make I do now?
If a possible, you should come down make I drive. When we reach my side, you continue.
Oh, yeah, nah, no problem. Come down. Come drive aside, make you drive.
No, wahala, they come.
See you later! You no get car, you still get mouth before misogynist. For my own car, make I come down for you drive because woman driving, they make you uncomfortable. Nonsense, no be your fault.